Well, hindi pa naman marrying age yung mga anak ko. Pero madalas kong sabihin sa kanila, you don't enter marriage para makumpleto ka. Or else, sobrang magiging disaster ng married life mo. Naalala ko sobrang nauso yung romantic notion na yan yung you complete me. You referring to your husband or to your wife. And that can be idolatry. Yes, yung idolatry is hindi lang about mga ribulto. Anything that you think is more supreme, more important than God. Tingin mo magbibigay ng value, meaning, purpose rather than God, that can be an idol. And kung hindi tayo careful, pwede natin yung ma-apply sa ating husband or sa ating wife. At sa marriage, ang nagko-complete individually sa husband pati sa wife ay si God. Kasi kung aasa ka na makumpleto ka nung isa, sigurado madidisappoint ka. Kasi it's a union of two imperfect people. Unless it's a union of two imperfect people relying on God and relying on God for the sense of completeness, doon magiging matiwasay ang marriage.
Marriage doesn't solve loneliness. To me, loneliness is a lack of understanding who I am and what God wants to do in and through me. If we ever think that someone other than Jesus completes us, He's the one that completes me. A husband doesn't complete me. A position doesn't complete me. Wealth doesn't complete me. He